Hello everybody and welcome back down the creek. So today's video we're going to be talking about this guy here. We're going to be talking about how to pull out your emergency cutoff switch on a 50 horse Mercury outboard. And I'm going to show you at least how to get the switch out. The rest of it's pretty self-explanatory. If you have a little bit of mechanical inclinity, I will say. I don't know if that's a word. But anyways, if you're a little bit mechanically inclined, this will help you kind of get it out. The rest of it's pretty straightforward. You just run the wires and then connect the two wires up where the old switch came out. But it took me a week to figure this out. So that's enough delay. Let's get into the video and see what I can show you. Alright guys, so I'm testing on a new camera, so bear with me here. But this little guy is the one we're talking about. I'm going to try and make it so you can see that. So the problem I had, this is the new one actually in there already, is this broke down here and it wouldn't allow this to work properly. So I ended up cutting it flush right here with a saw, and I mean it could have been bad. It could have really done some damage, and I didn't like doing that, but I couldn't figure it out. And it's so simple, stupid, it makes me angry that I didn't figure it out sooner. And it's simply a metal clip underneath. You pull down on it. There it is. Now this will freely come out. It's loose in there now, as you can see. I could pull this all the way out and change it. I have it zip tied in there. But yes, a little U is all it took. But I didn't figure that out until I cut this flush and pushed it in, and this just kind of dropped. Once that happened, I felt kind of stupid. So hopefully this saves you the week's time that it took me to figure it out, and you'll be able to do this a little bit easier than I did. Alright guys, well it's just completely unreal that this little teeny tiny piece caused me so much heartache and frustration. So I'm glad that it's done. I'm glad that we got this change and it's working properly now, because then I can be safe on the water and compliant. But yeah, so thanks for stopping by today and checking out our videos. Make sure you get on and check out some of my older stuff. I got quite a bit of fishing content on there, and you know, I wouldn't say that I'm a super professional by any means. I don't like crush fish like crazy, but there's a lot of tips and tricks on there. There's some rod reviews and things, so make sure you check it out, and hopefully you find something that you can really get into and binge watch some videos. So thanks again for watching On the Creek, and remember guys, get out and live. We'll catch you next time here at On the Creek.